Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome back to the Shed Quarters. It's been a while. Now, for the first video of the year, usually done at the start of January, not February, most YouTubers will have a look back at what they achieved in the last year and how amazing it was and all that. But for me, it was a total of 9 videos. So, yeah, there was like 3 videos about a fuel tank, there was some marshmallow toasters, a little pink push bike and a pogo stick and my holiday, and yeah, not overly productive. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. As always, customize everything. Just kidding. Anyway, it's not going to be the normal video. It's just me helping a friend out. He needs the oil changed in his car and can't really afford to take it to a mechanic, so he's got me. Alright, so first thing we're going to need is Captain Jack. Now, is that Harkness or Sparrow? Yeah, well, that should work. And let's go. Should work. Now we need a car. Yep, that'll do. Thank you. Look at me, I'm jacking up. Always use protection. Wish some of my gardeners would come around this side of the house. Seems good. Yeah, smaller than that. Let's go
16?
17.
Okay.
Alright, drain pan. Best thing about helping friends fix their cars, they can hand you the tools. Alright, pushing the plug in to hold pressure on it until it can feel the thread is out, and then we can just go whoop. Oh, I got one drip on my thumb. Seems to be going alright. Alrighty. Let's see if this will undo by hand. Yep, that's coming. Alright. This super cheap drain pan has a oil filter holder. That wasn't quite so clean. Alright. Wait for this to dribble out a bit and then we will get to some fresh fittings. Alright, got the filter, it's the correct one. Might as well just put a bit of oil on the seal before I even start. It helps it come apart next time. Alright, preloading just like a good night out. It might finally be full now. Just filling it up first so that when your engine starts it doesn't suck a whole heap of air through the whole oiling system before it actually gets lubricated. It's not super necessary, but it doesn't hurt. Alright, that seems to be slowing down to an inconvenient trip, so let's just put him back in. So that'll stop the drips. What the heck was that? Ah, good thing that fell out when it did. That's the old seal off the old filter. I hadn't checked that yet. If you leave that on there when you put the new filter on, that would be a troublesome day. Alright, that's out of the way. Good thing this filter's this way up, because if it was the other way up, preloading it wouldn't really help. Alright. Now, can you go in the shed and get me one of the rags that's sitting on top of the... No point monkeying that one up too tight. Now, just got to clean some oil off this so I can get a good grip on it. Yep, perfect. Alrighty. That's about as tight as I can get it with an oily hand, so it's probably pretty close to what we need. Alright, let's put some oil in top and go from there. You're not kidding. Let's see if this works. All this plastic fantastic. Hello! Does not look like it's fun to work on. Let's pour some of that good stuff down here. See how much we can not spill. Oop, just a little bit. Alright. I might spill some more, but it's best to get this before it runs too far. Dippy stick. How much have we got in there? Yeah. It's almost spot on. It's there, we need to get to there. It's like 3 millimeters. Yep. Perfect. Alright. Let's start this thing up and see what happens. What the hell is that noise? Alright, go! Sounds pretty good. I had a little bit of a tappy sound when it first starts. That's because all the oil's been drained out and it's got to build up the pressure. If we didn't pre-fill the oil filter, it would have been making that tappy noise for longer either, so. Sounds good. Alright, it's been running for a couple of minutes. Let's check what his level's at now. Spot on the mark. I could get the verniers out and measure, but it looks like about 1/2 mil off the mark, so just about perfect. Alrighty, that is good to go. So just saved me made $100 at the mechanics, and he got to hang out and chat for a while. So that's good to go. Now we just need to deal with this. So I always keep all the old drums. That's drained. Back in the box. And now this pan I got from Super Cheap, I think it was. It's got this really handy little spout on the front of it. So I can just put it into the top of the drum and then just drain it all in. Now you can just lean this up against the wall so it drains everything out, but I've got other cars in the backyard to play with, so we won't worry about this. We'll just put the lid on, nice and tight. I'll just go put these out on the edge of the road so some pinger will come along and take them so he can give himself an oil change. That's the way the world works, right? Pay it forward and all that. I'm not really going to put on the side of the road for some pinger. I'd probably pour it on my car. Alright Corgi, move the car out. Well, that was simple. It only took about 20 minutes, and well, yeah, saved him a bunch of money at the mechanics, and I got a pizza for it. Anyway, that's it for this video. I might show this one next. Cameraman O learning to TIG weld before he's even gone to primary school. So, yeah, should be fun. But that's it for this video. As always, customize everything. Seriously, who teaches a Corgi how to drive a car? His legs definitely can't reach. This will be turned into a time lapse. It's actually recording this time, so it's good when it's something simple that didn't record, so you can just do it again. Yeah. It's when you do half a fabrication montage, and that's when I just do a clap finish. It's like, now I need 2 of these. So I just clap my hands and all of a sudden there's 2 of them.